Rock and roll time, back again. You better get ready for Freddy. Alright, so it's about collection update. Stuff I've got the past few weeks or so. I've almost fucking finished getting the necrophobic fucking reissues. Makes up a fucking pentagram. Still got a couple going there, so it'll look better then, but I've still got one minute to go. Aye. But I got this the other day. Fuck, I think I opened it yet, I thought I had. Huh, oh well. Listen to this online. Mark of the Necrogram. This one's in a slipcase, so it must be after 2002, which must be right. 22. No, it's not. Whatever. It's not part of the fucking pentagram anyway. But this is great. But if my mind's right, it's got a bit slow to mid-paced tunes in it, if I remember correctly. Whatever. And then, of course, I got Dawn of the Damned on fucking thingy. And this was cool, because I didn't expect it. I thought it was going to be one of them slipcase ones, but it's not. You know, opened it and it's got a fucking patch. And a bonus disc. I thought, oh fuck, bonus disc. Throw the fucking patch in the ground, if you can't. Hold on. Right. Well, I got a patch. So it's got a fucking bonus disc, it's a CD, live in Stockholm. I thought, oh, result. 4 fucking songs. What's the fucking point of putting a fucking live disc in an album if there's only 4 fucking songs? Fucking poofs. Right, whatever. But yeah, that's it. Dawn of the fucking Damned. It's great. But change in pace. This is Coagulated Bliss by fucking Full of Hell. Stumbling into this. I knew it was coming out, but it just came on play one day on Spotify when I was in the shower. I was like, what the fuck's this? It's like fucking noisy, grindy fucking bits. With sharp noise, with mental vocals. Full of Hell are cool, because you know, they're one of them bands that you don't know what to expect with every album. It's fucking, you know for a fact it's going to fucking hit you hard, but you don't know in what capacity it's going to hit you. Which is a good band, so it's Full of Hell with Coagulated Bliss. I had this a couple of weeks now. It's called The Great Cold Step by Windswept. It's a digipack. It's not exciting, it just opens like that. So guys that were in Druk or Hate Forest, or Roman, Hate Forest. But guys for Druk, they've got a drummer in this. This is just fast, cold, icy black metal, as you'd expect. Yeah, pretty cool. Never knew anything about this band. Usually I'm all over that stuff, but fucking got this one. And then Liam, the Death Doom Metalhead, he's got a lot to answer for. He fucking mentioned this album. What the fuck's it say? I can't fucking mind what it says. Neolithic Necro Cannibals by Vicissitude. No, really. If you're New Zealand, it's like war metal. They're fucking savage, man. Fucking Jesus. Everything's black and white, apart from the poster. I mean, look at the dude in the cover. He's been listening to too much Vicissitude. Fuck off. Just getting bunkies. And then Germany. Japanese Kampferspiele. Grindcore. Forward thinking experimental stuff. Good, like, hold on a minute. Hold on. Oh. Fucking hell. Sorry, I'm back. Burst of pain there. Fucking great. Aye. Japanese comfort school. Germans. I got these kinds of fucking years ago. A few of their albums. There's got a lot of albums and splits in it. But apparently they went shit. My mate Pigsy, he fucking put up a status on Facebook. Japanese comforts with the new album sounds like a new metal band trying to play death metal. I don't know, I never heard the new album, I don't think. But this one's called Rauchen und Rosa. It's probably rock and roll in German. Achtung, rock and roll, raus, raus. Juden. 17 tracks. Decent enough grindcore, alright. And finally, I can't remember if I can show you this or not. This is called Umbra Vitae. It's called Light of Death by Umbra Vitae. It's like a death metal fucking super group sort of thing. It's the guy Jacob Bannon for Converge on vocals. And then I think it's the drummer. Or there's another member for the Red Chord. No, really. And then another band. Depends what age, I think. Can't fucking mind off the top of my head. I'm unprepared as usual. But this is cool. It's no, you say death metal, it's no fucking gore guts. Okay? It's no fucking second album Deicide or anything like that. But I suppose there's a string of death metal. It's pretty decent, but it's taken a few listens to fucking enjoy it as much as it started. So, multiple spins yields results. Spastic Amoeba. Aye. So that's that. So I'm going to fuck off because it's Saturday night and I'm here alone with thoughts. Great. David. Right. Alright, no. Take it sleazy and lick the bag.